St. Lawrence College. I'm in my last year of my junior cycle, and my junior cycle is taking place this year. As part of my junior cycle last year, we did a CBA of the design brief process. This is an example of what we've done last year. We followed the design brief process to get here.
Hi, my name is Jessica. I am a 5th year student. As part of our Leaving Cert, we have to undertake journal work, which is worth 20% of our overall grade. We are currently looking at assignment 4, which explores different types of bread currently popular with Irish consumers. We are looking at different ways to make bread and will explore the benefits and costs of making bread at home compared to supermarket bought bread.
My name is Kira. And my name is Alicia, and we are 5th year students. I chose to do home ec as I want to become a home ec teacher.
And I chose to do home ec because I did it for TY and I wanted to do it for my Leaving Cert.
For senior cycle home ec, there is a broad curriculum.
We will study food science, food commodities, social studies, textile care, consumer studies, and loads more.
We are currently studying the macronutrient protein.